Hello, this is oh god, it's not fucking recording. There we go. Okay, this is a small thing on how to use litematica. Because some people don't know. Anyway, so you need to go into your keybinds and find wherever litematica is, which is it not in here? It's not in here, is it? Okay, you might need to get the mod menu mod, which is this one as well, and that lets you open this, and that lets you open litematica here, and then you can go into the settings there, and then you have the hotkeys where, let's see, which one is it that I use? Enter. Okay, this one, open GUI loaded schematics. Set that key to whatever you want to use. I used the enter key on the really far side of my keyboard, and then when you press that, bang, you get this screen, which is important for later. Another thing you should do is, if you go into menu and the configuration menu, and you find, I'm not sure which one it is, you find tool item. This will be by default stick. I recommend changing it to something like gold nugget or iron nugget, or like any block, not any block or item that you just like never ever hold, like in normal gameplay, that you would just like never hold. So I use a gold nugget. This one's good, and this is important because when I pull out a gold nugget, it will then give me like this menu that's down there. So, and then if you press Control and scroll, it will go through all the different modes. So you want your mode to be area selection. Go to your build, and then you go select the bottom corner with left click, and then you can, oh god, come over here and you can select the top corner with right click, and then you have your entire build saved. Like this, for example. Shit, wait, no. And it only saves everything inside of the boundary. So like, for example, these buttons and signs here wouldn't get saved because they couldn't. So you need to move it over here, and then it will save everything. And then you do Control Alt and S. In that order, you have to press Control first, then Alt, then S, and then you get this menu where you save it as whatever for the thing. You can like do tram. You can also like make your own folders if you want, like create a new directory like Artesia, and then you can save it in here as tram, and then that will be in here. Now when you want to actually build it, fuck's sake. Now when you want to actually build this on the server, you would be in survival mode, and then you open that menu that I talked about earlier with the enter key, and then you press load schematics. You find, oh, I spelled Artesia wrong. Shit. Then you find tram, load schematic, and then using the tool again on schematic placement mode, you can right click to where you want to put it. So for example here, and then if you want to fine tune it, you go into here again, you go schematic placements, configure, and then you can change the Y level, the Z level, or the X level here. and then from there you can just, you know, you build with the thing. You can use printer if you want, but that's a separate mod, and just look up what that does. It basically like auto places the blocks for you if you have them in your inventory. And this works for anything. Like, and then, oh yeah, once you've built it, for example, the schematic will stay, and you need to go here and unload, and then gone. And then, yeah, then you can build all your stuff. So I'll try this on somebody else's base. I'll do the bridge by Xerxes thing, because I need to save that too, actually. So you go gold nugget, you do area selection, you find the like the fuck, I don't even know how you do that. Also, a tip, you can use terrain. It might help you line up the build later. So you'd go into like the hill, bang. You'd go into the hill, that's block 1. Oh, that's nowhere near enough, is it? Fucking hell. Like here, I guess. I guess here. Okay, 0.2, and then you go all the way up to the top of it. You can also do like /set block if you don't want to. And then, oh shit, wait, okay. So that's the top, and then you go back down to the bottom, wherever the hell that is. Here. And then it takes everything, and then you can do the same thing, Control-Alt-S, save as gateway viaduct, bang, and then you got it, and you can place it wherever. If you want to know how, actually fuck it, I can use this to teach how to line something up. Yeah, also when you have like this box left, you could just take the tool and just right click, then left click, and it will just put a tiny box like somewhere there. And then anyway, when you want to load something in, so you do load schematics. If you want to line it up with terrain, if it's something like this bridge, Jesus fucking Christ, if it's something like this bridge, you would do you do the placement, and I prefer to just put it, oh wait, hold on, schematic, put it like there, I guess, and then you do on schematic placements configure, put it on the right Y level, now this is easy for me because I can line it up with the bridge, but something else, you can also line it up with the terrain. So for example, I'll do it with this hill. So then you go into this mode again, configure, and then you move it along like that. And then you can start building, and it's in the right spot. So yeah, that's litematica. Subscribe to J Station.